Good day, this is BK's channel. Today in this video, I'll be explaining how you can use text-to-speech features on Telegram. If you want to put up a text and then it will be translated in English or it will be read in English to the other party, you understand? So I'll be showing how you can do this on your phone on Telegram. First of all, you click on the Telegram icon on your phone. So you open up Telegram and then you go to the search button. Then you type text to speech. You go to the search button and you type text to speech. So it will give you options and you select any of them that you're looking for, you understand? So you just go to the search button, you type text to speech. So text to speech. Now let's take the first one, text to speech bot. Text to speech bot, because we don't want to manually, we want it to be translated automatically. So when you click on a text to speech bot, it brings you to this page. Now as you can see down below, there's a start button down there. There's a start button, so you have to first click on the start so that it will take you to where you can select the voice, the type of voice, whether a female or a male voice, and the type of English you want. So you click on the start. Now at the lower left corner on your phone, you see menu. So you click on the menu, and then the menu will bring up the options where you have to choose which kind of voiceover that you actually want. So let's click on the menu. Now we have English, Spanish, French, German, Italian. So you choose which one you want. I want English, so I already click on the English. I want the English, so I click on the English. Now you have to choose the voice, whether US or UK. I want the US, so I click on the US Dave. Now I have activated this voice to text to speech. So anything that I type, it will be translated to speech in English in an American voice. So let's type anything, like just to test how best this is working. You can test anything, whether hello my friend, how are you doing, anything that you want to just test to check up exactly what you want to do. So hello there.
Hello
Now,
there.
see, immediately I click hello there, it's translated in English and voice. So now if I'm chatting with anybody who have problem of listening, like reading, the person will be listening to this as audio. You understand? The person will be listening to this as audio. So I check on another one. Hi buddy, it has been a long time I heard from you. So once you send, it will be converted to voice message so that the person will listen to it peacefully. You understand? Sometimes you can copy a whole page. Maybe you have a whole letter for somebody to read, and the person will have problem of getting that time to read all this 2 pages letter. But then when it's being converted to voice, text to speech, it will be easy for him to listen it as voice than to be reading it as a text. So it's also helpful. Sometimes it's not always you have to type for somebody to even listen. Sometimes you have some message on your phone that you want to send to someone to listen, and then you just use this option. You understand? It's very easy that whatever it is, everybody can be able to apply this. So you can also do it on your phone and check how best it's compatible with your mobile. So this is how I'm doing mine. I just type hi buddy, it's been a long time I heard from you. How is life and how are you getting on with your life and family? I miss you, take care. So once I try to send this out, it will be converted to voice so that the other party will be listening to that voice. So you see, automatically converted. So if you are
Hi
the person
buddy,
that
it
sends
has
this
been
to,
a
you
long
don't
time
need
I
to worry
heard
yourself
from
if you
you.
cannot read.
How is life
You
and
just have
how are
to
you
put it
getting on
on
with your
the
life and
listen to
family?
it as voice message.
I miss you all.
I think
Take
this is
care,
one of the
Bobby.
simple features that most iPhone users don't know, but it's very nice that everybody will learn this and it will be very easy for anybody to use it. You can also go to your maybe you have some message somewhere that you want somebody to listen. You can just go, or you have some text. You can go to Google.
Hi, please, is there any
Highlight
legend
anything.
or
Maybe you have
better
found
online
something on Google
investment
that you want
platform?
to somebody
Let
to
me know.
also listen to it, and it's very important. But this person will not have time reading all these 10 pages. You can just go to the Google. You go to whatever you want. You highlight everything you want the person to read, and then you forward it. The person will not have the time to read, but I know definitely it will be easy for him to listen. So you can also try to go to your Google. You highlight anything that maybe this is the an information that you want to send to someone to also check on it. But you don't have the person might not have enough time to read all this, but when it's in the form of a voice message, it will be easy for him to do that. So you just highlight it and then you click it. You can also use the lens. There's also a lens option. In my next video, I'll be showing you how you can use the lens, where you just go, you highlight, and then you copy to paste here. So once you paste there, it's automatic.
By Stanford Porter published till November 17, 2022, 4:50 p.m. The UAE's Ministry of Finance (MOF) on Thursday said director services undertaken by natural persons serving as members of boards, entities, and institutions across the UAE will not be subject to value-added tax.
Whenever I put out a new video, other people will also have access to use it. I'll be looking forward to hitting 1K this month, and I hope you all gonna help me achieve that. Thank you very much. Have a nice day. May God bless you all. Bye-bye.